What's up guys, I'm back again with another video. Now this one is very different. We've never done this one before, but firstly, on behalf of CLC and I, we just want to give you guys a big thank you. So far, with how far we've come on YouTube, we are fast approaching 5,000 subscribers and we would not be there without you guys. So we just want to say thank you for your love and support. We appreciate all of you guys, each and every single one of you guys, for commenting, liking, subscribing. Some of you guys even sharing our content on your social media platforms. We thank you guys very much for that. We love making you guys laugh and including you guys in our day. So, as I said, we are fast approaching 5,000 subscribers, so we thought, why not do a 5K giveaway? And this is a chance for us to give back to you guys. I've got some prizes here with us, and shout out to my sister Chrissy for bringing them all the way from Samoa. So the first one is a 12 pack of Samoa's favorite chips. If you don't know, these chips are awesome. The second one is Samoa's best keke saingas. They're from Inalani, Inapia. And the third one is a cup of Koko Samoa, pure natural Koko Samoa. And the fourth thing is a customized shirt of CLC and Victoria. It's currently in the works, so if I finish doing it, then you will see the picture here. If not, then you'll get it in your package. And so you could be a winner of these 4 things, including the shirt, but what we need you to do is A, subscribe to CLC in Victoria if you haven't already, turn the notification bell on and send us a screenshot to any of our platforms if you're following us. And B, you'll have to share one of your favorite videos of ours, whether it be a prank, a vlog, a challenge, onto one of your social media platforms and send us a screenshot as well. And that's it. That is your chance to win any of these 4 things. And once you've done that, your name will go in a hat and we'll be drawing 5 names from this hat from a week from this video. Not sure if we can afford express post, but it'll be posted out to you. You could be the lucky winner, munching on some taro chips, drinking some koko, eating koko leisa, and having some keke sainga. Or if you follow these 2 steps, your name will go in the draw. It'll be drawn out a week from today's video. So get sharing, get liking, get subscribing, and you could be eating these things. So we look forward to seeing your names go in the draw, and I'm very excited. I can't wait to be sending these gifts out. It could be 5 lucky winners. Not 1, not 2, but 5. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, remember that notification bell, and subscribe to any of our medias down below, and we will see you guys next time. Bye!